Want to turn any long video into a stack of ready-to-post clips without spending hours chopping and guessing what'll actually go viral? Let's dive into a quick walkthrough with another flipped classroom-style demo, but this time we're doing it with Vizard. A few months back, I remember spending forever manually editing tutorials and talks just to find those golden moments people would actually watch. Tools like Premiere and Final Cut were great, but they absolutely demanded significant skills and a ton of time investment. Even simpler apps like CapCut can clip footage, but you still have to know exactly what moments are worth keeping. That is precisely where a tool like Vizard totally changes the entire game for content creation. So here is the basic deal for how this powerful system works. I simply uploaded one of my entire long videos without any manual edits, no painstaking timestamps, and nothing fancy pre-marked at all. Vizard's advanced AI then scoured all of that footage, locating those high-energy bits, the best punchlines, and the essential teachable moments. It prepared a full batch of short clips instantly, all of them optimized specifically for various social platforms. I personally didn't have to guess which parts would perform well because the tool suggested clips matching known viral patterns. These suggested patterns included strong hooks, quick explainer segments, emotional beats, and crucial calls to action. Honestly, the whole process feels a little bit like magic, but trust me, this is the consistent, reliable kind, not the flaky version. Let me actually show you exactly how this worked step by step using my own video example. First, I navigated to the section and simply hit the main upload button to begin. The interface itself is incredibly clean, definitely not cluttered with 50 different buttons that just end up confusing the user. While the system was processing my large file, the AI was deeply analyzing speech peaks and sudden visual changes within the footage. It also looked at critical audience retention signals and identified exactly where the energy spikes occurred throughout the recording. Just a few minutes later, I was presented with a comprehensive list of generated clips, usually between 15 and 60 seconds long. Crucially, each potential clip was labeled, explaining exactly why it might be successful, like strong hook or key takeaway. I quickly scrolled through the suggestions, previewed a couple of them, and made tiny, necessary edits in just seconds. If you are the kind of creator who genuinely dreads the editing process, this specific part of the workflow will feel like a massive, genuine relief. But the real secret to saving massive amounts of time isn't just in exporting individual short clips. Vizard's specialized auto-editing viral clips feature does the heavy lifting to pick segments most likely to perform well across all platforms. This selection process is not random at all. It analyzes metadata trends and compares them to known successful viral structures. This analysis provides you with assets that are genuinely ready for posting right out of the box. You absolutely still have the option to tweak captions, trim a second or two, or swap out a thumbnail image if you want. However, you no longer have to manually hunt through hours of footage just to find that perfect opening hook. Next up on the impressive list is the powerful scheduling functionality that saves you so much planning time. I don't know about you, but planning out social content feels simple until you have a week's worth of clips and absolutely zero time to post them. Vizard's auto-schedule feature takes the clips you have already approved and lets you set a specific posting frequency. Then it automatically lays out a posting timeline and handles the publishing for you without any manual intervention. You can select specific platforms and set ideal posting times for maximum reach. The AI intelligently spreads your clips out over time, ensuring you don't accidentally spam your dedicated followers. This means your entire content pipeline becomes completely predictable and consistently active without needing constant micromanagement. The content calendar feature is where all these scheduling and publishing elements finally come together seamlessly. Instead of juggling separate apps for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Twitter, you see it all in one place. You can easily drag and drop clips to change dates, add internal notes, or even batch edit all of your descriptions at once. If you happen to be working with a small team, you can assign specific clips to different people for review or feedback. This centralized management approach provides an absolutely huge productivity boost for multi-channel creators and educators alike. Now, I have definitely tried other solutions on the market over the years. Some tools promise automatic clips, but only deliver those cookie-cutter segments that inevitably feel very robotic and bland. Others are feature-rich, but they unfortunately cost an absolute arm and a leg for creators who aren't massive enterprise teams. Descript is great for getting clean transcription and neat for specific edits, yet it still expects you to be the editor-in-chief for everything. Mobile-focused apps like CapCut and InShot are fantastic for manual edits on the go, but they struggle with virality identification. When it comes to automatically identifying viral potential and scheduling across platforms, those mobile apps unfortunately fall significantly short. Vizard manages to hit that perfect sweet spot, being smart enough to find the genuinely good stuff automatically. Yet it still offers you the necessary control to polish and perfectly brand every single clip you choose to publish. Now we need to have one tiny, realistic reality check about any automated system. Automatic systems, by their very nature, are simply not always going to be 100% perfect. Sometimes a clip suggested by the AI will definitely need a slight tone adjustment, or a caption could frankly be much clearer. And that is completely okay because you absolutely still want that essential human touch applied to the final output. Think of Vizard as your incredibly efficient assistant that handles all the heavy finding and organizing work for you. Your job remains adding that crucial layer of personality, polish, and final, informed judgment to the content. For creators who speak multiple languages or target very niche international audiences, you must glance through those subtitles. You will want to adjust phrasing slightly and ensure all of your cultural references land exactly as intended. However, even with that required check, the overall time savings you experience are truly massive and substantial. Here is a super quick step-by-step guide if you want to replicate this exact workflow right now. Step 1 is simply to upload your raw, long-form video file directly into the platform. Remember, there is absolutely no need to do any pre-editing or preparation work beforehand. Next, step 2 is letting Vizard analyze everything and then generate those fantastic suggested clips for you. For step 3, you preview the results and make those small, specific tweaks, like trimming or changing a quick caption. Then move on to step 4 by using the auto-schedule feature to tell the system how often you want content to go live. Step 5 involves arranging and managing all your approved posts within the unified content calendar view. Finally, for step 6, you hit publish. Monitor the initial performance and then simply repeat the entire successful cycle. It truly is that straightforward to implement into your daily routine. I also want to specifically address educators and parents who often discover hours of old lecture recordings. You can easily convert an entire 1-hour lecture into a full week's worth of easily digestible micro-lessons. This means students get bite-sized explanations that are much easier for them to review and retain information. Teachers, in turn, can significantly increase their reach and impact without needing to film any new material at all. For small teams or solo creators, Vizard lets you operate like a full media studio on an extremely shoestring budget. You can produce, schedule, and track everything without having to hire dedicated editors or social media managers. In terms of community features, if you thrive on feedback loops, Vizard integrates directly with your existing team channels. This is absolutely clutch if your content creation process requires formal approvals or collaborative input from various stakeholders. Unlike some of those very pricey enterprise suites out there, Vizard avoids locking essential features behind those obscene paywalls. The platform clearly aims to be accessible to everyone without forcing creators to choose between key features and simple affordability. So what should you realistically expect to see when you first start using this system? First, you will see significantly more consistent posting, which is honestly the single best driver for channel growth. Second, expect much better content discovery because the AI-picked clips statistically follow those high-performing hook patterns. Third, you will enjoy far less day-to-day administrative headache and calendar chaos. Finally, you get a much stronger creative loop. You make long-form, Vizard extracts highlights. You polish and publish, then you iterate. If you are skeptical, I completely understand because I was certainly skeptical when I first encountered it. But after just a few editing cycles, the performance pattern became incredibly clear and undeniable. The clips that were machine-picked and then given just a slight human polish consistently outperformed my previous random manual edits. And that automatic scheduling truly kept all of my channels active, even during weeks when I was completely swamped with other critical work. Before you run off to try this out, I have a couple of quick important tips to make sure you succeed. First, always turn on the automatic captions, and then actually take the time to check them over very carefully. Automatic captioning is good, but a quick human edit is always worth it for perfect clarity and better SEO performance. Second, keep an active eye on each platform's specific best practices, like vertical crops for Reels and TikToks. Remember that YouTube Shorts often benefits from a slightly different thumbnail than the one you use on your main channel. Vizard helps with many of these adjustments, but your own platform know-how will always add significant extra value. Third, use the analytics provided to see which clip formats and lengths genuinely resonate most with your specific audience. Allow that collected feedback to then teach the AI what successful content truly looks like for your community. All right, now the action is officially over to you to start testing this powerful system. If you have a long video sitting on your drive that you've been meaning to edit, toss it into Vizard and start playing with the suggestions. Be sure to try out the auto schedule feature and watch your content calendar start filling up with ready-to-post content. Come back to this video and tell me in the comments which AI-picked clips performed the absolute best for you. I am genuinely eager to hear if the AI found a hidden gem that you would have completely missed on your own. Also, let me know which specific parts of the clips ultimately needed that crucial human touch to perfect them. I truly look forward to reading about all of your unique, real-world results in the discussion section. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and in the loop, make sure you subscribe and join this channel right away. I'm constantly sharing new workflows, exciting experiments, and the occasional template pack that I use specifically with this tool. Additionally, there is a private community group where people post their own wins and occasional failures for mutual learning. This lets you see how other creators are successfully applying the very same tool across a wide variety of different niches. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this entire breakdown today. And if you do decide to try Vizard out, please tag me or drop a comment so we can geek out over the results together. I look forward to seeing you, and I will catch you in the next one very soon.